Here's 5 hacks for home sellers to sell fast and for top dollar. Number 1, it's price. Number 2, it's pictures. Number 3, it's curb appeal. Number 4, make it move-in ready. Number 5, be available. Don't ever decline showings. And as a bonus, if you've already moved out of the house, light staging. Let's talk about why these steps work so well. Selling a house isn't rocket science, and there's no magic app or sexy drone shot that'll get you more money. It's sales 101. You can call it old school, you can call it old fashioned. What I call it and can prove is effective. The last couple of years, a home sold almost as soon as the sign hit the yard. High prices, no contingencies, few skills needed. Not to be unkind, but new agents thought they were rock stars selling homes that required not much more than being available. That was then, this is now, and now is very much different. Here's 5 hacks, best practices, to get your home sold fast and for top dollar in a vastly changing selling environment. For the sake of this video, we'll focus on homeowners selling to a buyer in search of their next home, not an investor. Hack number 1, price. Let's get something straight right up front. No matter who it is or what they're buying, everybody wants a deal. In its simplest terms, that means the most value for the least money. What complicates value is subjective. Big time. Here's an example. A seller getting ready to list their home will see the value of their newly remodeled back deck as plus $10,000 or $15,000 on top of the comps price. But as a buyer, the same person will see the same type deck addition in a home they're touring and see it as no big deal, and they'll say, I'm not going to pay extra for that. The examples are endless. The only way for a buyer to understand value is by comparison. These days, the seller has to compete with other sellers to get the attention of the buyers, and initially, the way that's done is with price. I was taught by the best agent ever, in my humble opinion, in the Nashville area who sold hundreds of homes a year. The formula is your house has to be in a little better condition for a little less money. That's it. We're going to come back to price later after we go through the rest of these steps. Hack number 2, pictures. To say the least, we live in a world with nanosecond attention spans. Pictures will communicate a message, good or bad, in milliseconds. Your only chance to sell your house lives in between clicks when buyers are looking at listings online. Next time you're looking at houses online, notice how you click through them. When do you stop? When something catches your eye. Get professional pictures done. Do you need drone work done? Only if the property itself is worth showcasing, like a home with acreage and a barn in back and sweeping vista. Drone shots in dense neighborhoods tend to highlight a cramped feel, toy-strewn backyards, and bad roofs. Matterport, the 3D system, is expensive and for the most part seems to be a curiosity. I'm not convinced that it helps that much, but it does look cool. If you have a multi-million-dollar property, it's definitely worth the splash. Bottom line, have awe-inspiring pictures. Hack number 3, curb appeal. Once you have their attention online, they might set a showing to view. Put extra effort into making the curb appeal so powerful that when they drive up to your house, they have to go inside. Trimmed hedges, edged flower beds with black mulch, trimmed trees, a groomed lawn. If needed, paint the front door and have clean, good-looking door hardware installed. That'll be the first thing they actually touch going in. Make it nice. If you have a wrought iron hand railing, paint those too. You'll be shocked at how much better things look with painted wrought iron. Be sure to clean the driveway and the sidewalk of stains or kids' chalk or anything that makes them look dirty. Bottom line, make the outside so nice they can't say no to seeing the rest of your house. Hack number 4, make it move-in ready. I can't stress this enough. Make your house as move-in ready as possible. If that means paint, paint. If that means fix floors and tile, fix them. If your appliances are from the dark ages, get nice new ones. They don't have to be top of the line. Remember, the 3 rooms that make the sale are the kitchen, the primary bedroom, and the master bath. Here's the deal. If you want top dollar, your home needs to be in top-notch condition. Keep in mind, buyers are comparing all the homes they see and calculating which home needs the least amount of updating/repair work to make it work for them. Declutter to the point of looking like a hotel room and have your house professionally clean. Bottom line, make moving in seem like the easiest thing in the world. Just bring your suitcase. Hack number 5, be available. Never, I repeat, never make a potential buyer ask twice to view your house. Someone ready, willing, and able to buy will pull the trigger fast when they find something they like. I've had so many clients over the years where we got refused on one house that they were sure they loved, and they bought the next one in line without looking back. If you have kids and you're worried about short time frame for showings, put go boxes in bedrooms and family rooms where they can pile all their toys in one place in about 2 minutes. Make a game of it with them. Weekends are usually the busiest, so just be okay with that. Keep your house in show-ready condition so you can accommodate those quick showings. Bottom line, never turn down a showing. Bonus hack, staging. If you've moved out of the house already, in this market, you may do well to have someone do some light staging for you. What I mean by that is set up a space in the living room where people can sit and be comfortable for a second. Put some items in the kitchen like towels or a knife block or a cookbook or something. Home it up a little bit. In the master bedroom, put an air mattress with nightstands and lamps. In the master bath, towels and a candle and maybe a bar of soap. Help people visualize how nice it'd be to live in your house. Here's some final thoughts on pricing. Now that you've done the hard work of making your house the best that it can be within reason, try to honestly compare your home to others currently on the market. That's your competition. The three main factors in selling a house are price, condition, location. You can't do anything about location. So your buyer is comparing the condition of your home to others they're viewing one after another, trying to find the best value for their money. I'll say again what my mentor taught me. A slightly better house for a slightly better price wins every time. If you're honestly comparing your house to similar properties in your neighborhood and pricing accordingly, you really can't miss. If you like this video, tell a friend, give it a like to help me spread the word, and subscribe so you know when the next one drops. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you and I appreciate your time. Talk to you soon.